everyone, it's JoJo here, up with another tutorial. We're going to start off with the face, and I'm going to prime with the Bare Minerals Prime Time Original Primer. Lovely. Now the face is all set, we're going to go ahead and move on to foundation. But for this look, I'm wearing a tinted moisturizer by Organic Wear in the shade Light to Natural. I wanted to go for a more lightweight slash non-cakey makeup look, so that's why I decided to choose the tinted moisturizer. And this one's a little bit lighter than my natural skin tone, but I wanted to create a more brighter look. And as you can see, I apply way too much on my forehead, so I'm just going to share that and spread it to my neck. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to use my contour stick by NYX Cosmetics. It's the Wonder Sticks in the shade Deep. Now I'm using my Morphe M459 brush to soften the contour that I put onto my cheekbones and my nose. Now the next step is to use my powder contour. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. It's the Too Cool for School art class by Rodin. I think that's how you pronounce it, but I'm using the right two darker shades. And then this Bare Minerals full coverage brush. And then I'm just spreading it out on my cheekbones and my neck to create a little bit more warmth to the face. But finally, on to the brows, and for my brows I'm using the Drawing Eyebrow by Etude House in the shade Brown. The next product that I'm using is by Smashbox. It's their Photo Finish Lip Primer, and I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelids, lightly with my ring finger. As you can see, I'm dipping into the Estee Lauder Pure Color palette. I dipped in these two purple colors. They are the ones in the bottom right corner of this palette. And I'm using those to apply to the center of my eyelids, using my ring finger to lightly apply it. And first using that darker shade because I just want to pack that on and create some dimension. And then I'm using a pencil brush to apply some of the same shade on my lower lash line. And then brushing and finessing that out to the outer corner of my eye. Then I'm using the Peak shade from the same palette to create an inner corner highlight. For liner, I'm using Physicians Formula liquid liner in the shade Deepest Black, creating this outline, this graphic liner outline. And then I'm going to slowly do that on the other side too. To fill in my liner, I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Pure Color palette, and it's with these 8 shades. I'm going to do a mix of the brown and the black And then I'm going to use an eyeliner brush to fill it in. We finally made it to the lips, and for my lips I'm using the MAC Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Burgundy. I'm outlining my lips to create this fullness effect. So I'm creating a line in between my bottom lip and then two near my cupid's bow. Then to top it off, I'm using MAC Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Epic. The application of this lipstick is very creamy. The texture is soft on the skin, and at first it appears very light, but after 2 sets of application, it's very pigmented and opaque. Now I just popped on some lashes. These are specifically from Eden Lashes. And I'm also applying highlighter. This one is from Lime Crime and their line of diamond crushers. I believe it's the one I'm using is called Dope. And yeah, this is the final makeup look. If you liked my content, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to see me somewhere else other than YouTube, I have my Instagram link down below. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.